So this is the encoding module in Mac. Encoding module means you can say that you take example of Mac. Okay, in Mac many fields are there. You see here one field is data rate. Okay, so at what data rate we need to transfer the data? Who will tell? Test case will come and tell. Okay, so data rate is a register. Okay, this is 1 2 3 4 bit register. If somebody will write 0000 in this register, what I have to do, I will read this. So this thing is 000. So this means that I need to transfer the data at the rate of 53 megabits per second. Similarly, if somebody will write 001, I have to transfer the data at the rate of 80 megabits per second. Okay, and I'm displaying also data rate rich. Getting? So this is the way how to configure. So different data rates are there. So but remember one thing always. Okay, so different data rates are only available in data transfer. Okay, not in control transfer. So when you are going with control transfer, so you have to go with minimum data rate, that is 53 megabits per second.
Minimum data rate is
53 megabits per second. Okay,
that means 0 zeros.
that is 0000. Okay, so it's clean. So this is the way you should encode. Okay, so okay,
Scrambler means
scrambler is a feature that is available in the PHY. Okay, I don't know much about what scrambler will do. Scrambling, you know na? Suppose one regular structure is there, you scramble it, distort it and send. That is scrambling. Okay, so this feature is
that accept the device.
yeah,
The scrambler.
actually scrambler is a you can say it is a module that is available in the PHY. Okay, in real PHY, in wireless PHY. But we are not implementing wireless PHY. We are implementing a wrapper for which is mimicking the wireless PHY. Right. So in that
Physical side we are ramping.
yeah, physical side means wireless. Actually, wireless USB no physical will come because antenna only will come physical. Okay. So what we are doing? We are simply passing the parallel data, 8-bit data. You've seen in UTMI also. I told you in USB discussion. Okay. So that we are doing. So you see scrambler. So scrambler is a feature that is present in the PHY. Okay, so you should not take care of this, but in order to make a generic, you have to mimic that thing here, because suppose in future you are going to purchase the real PHY. Okay, in that case your Mac should able to configure your PHY, so you have to include this feature. Okay, need to encode in future I've written, right? Burst mode. Okay, these all are PHY related signals. Okay, so these things when real PHY will come, then only you can see. Okay, preamble length, whether standard or burst. Okay, TX-TFC, this is also some PHY related encoding. Okay, so just to read and encode those things. Then band group, by name itself what band they are going to give. Okay, that is also PHY feature. Now coming to MAC header. Okay, MAC header fields are very important. Secure length. Okay, whether your data is secured or not. Okay, so this, if somebody will configure this bit, okay, then my payload will be secured. If it nobody will configure this field, I need to transmit normal data. It should not be secure data. Okay, ACK policy length. Okay, you know ACK policies. Okay, can you give me one scenario where USB will send ACK to you? The wireless USB.
After sending the data.
Okay.
No, before sending data, we an acknowledgement.
Yeah. So suppose you take example when you want to explain something, you take example. Okay. Suppose there is a in transaction. In transaction means host is looking for a data from the device end. So what host will do? Host will send a token packet, right? Device will read that token packet, and device will come to know that host is looking for data. Device will prepare the data and send the data to the host. how device will come to know that data is reached properly or not? Okay, so in that case host will send you acknowledgement. So that is what ACK policy. So different, they are telling different length ACK policies. Okay,
That means different means different acknowledgements are available.
yeah, different type of acknowledgements are there. Okay, so no ACK policy is there. When no ACK is required. In case of isochronous transfers, acknowledgement, they will not give acknowledgement. Okay, remember this thing. In USB, in case of isochronous, there is no handshake policy. Okay, so like this, there are many fields because MAC, no ACK, IMM ACK, B ACK, B ACK request. These are the fields not specific to wireless USB. Okay, I told you before itself that on Mac many application will sit. Okay, so different application are having different ACK policies. Okay, so these are the generic. Okay, that will cover all the policies. But
Suppose wireless USB.
any other 1394, any application that will sit on wireless on while Mac, what ACK policies they will follow, that are available here.